In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into the PlayStation Network fast on PS5. Now, if you're currently signed in, what you're going to want to do is go to the settings cogwheel in the top right corner. Then we're going to go to users and accounts, and we're going to scroll down to other. And at the very bottom, you should see sign out. Now, that's going to sign you out of the PlayStation Network. And to sign back in, we're going to go back to the PlayStation Store and we're going to go down and select sign in. Now, you're going to be presented with two options, one being a QR code, and you can sign in manually by selecting this option. Now, to sign in manually, you're going to want to input your email address and password that's associated with your PSN, but this is a little bit slower than using the QR code. Now, in order to scan the QR code, you are going to have to download the PlayStation app on your phone and sign into your PSN one time, but going forwards, all you need to do is take out the camera, scan the QR code on your screen, and then go to the pop up at the bottom. And then it's going to ask if you want to sign into this device, go to approve, and you're now signed in to your PSN on your PS5. So press OK, and you'll be signed in right away. So if this video was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.